Okay, good morning everyone. So, start of a new day. Nice, bright, sunny morning. Look at that. Lovely. Gaz is still up in the van. So, yeah, we started excavating the lower site here. Moving some of the material downhill. Not sure what I'm going to do with it all, but for now it can go in big piles there. We'll put lots of it into the bags, and some stuff will be used to level out different areas, and yeah, figure it out anyway. So just going to carry on digging down and excavating all this out. Just got to do some maintenance on the digger. Got to get the front end greased up and put some fuel in it. We'll start work. Now this machine actually only uses about 20 litres on a full long day, so it's a very efficient machine actually. So put some diesel in it, grease it up, and we'll get started. Starting to take shape. Check it out. How cool is that? That is the vision coming into life. Vision I had ages ago and changed it a few times, and now it's actually a mark on the earth, which is pretty cool. So Gaz here is doing an absolute lifesaver. He's just a machine in that digger. He just goes and goes and goes, hours and hours and hours, and he's loving it. So it's really good to have him here. Because I get bored of it within about 5 minutes. So yeah, he's we just got to keep going down. This retaining wall here is about 2.5 meters on the plan, so it's got a long way down to go yet. So Gaz is still hard at it. I'm telling you, he could be a machine operator. He's done about 24 hours in that thing now since being here. It's really helping me out. So you can see we got a big crater in the earth. Struggling, we're getting backed up with all this stuff we're excavating out, although it is considerably better stuff than the other stuff. So it's nice. There's a bit of clay in there, but more stone than clay. You see all the stone, loads of stone in there, so it's nice material, nice bag fill material, but I'm just not sure I'm going to need 800 tons of it really. But you know, yeah, we get there, figure it out. I might have to start moving some of this. I'm hoping we hit some better stone. I can start a stone pile then for tracks and paths, and you know, if we get some sand, I get some sand out of it. That'd all be helpful. But currently it's just a mix of stone and clay, which is mostly for bag fill. Right, let's see if we got a level here. So that is still high. Doesn't look it, does it?
No.
It doesn't look it, but it is. Just level them out. About 100 mil.
About there?
No, well the other way, yeah, but.
Okay, well there.
So we are just below that, but we're out on these a little bit. So yeah, it's about 100 mil more. It's about what you just did again. Yeah, look, it's coming along. Gaz here has become a bit of a machine in the digger. He's at it, he's enjoying it, it's good. Yeah, so this wall needs to be about 2.2 metres tall, so yeah, lots more to come out. And we're starting to get into some nicer stuff that we can use for other things, some nice stone, which is handy. So we can deposit some of this nicer material up onto the upper level, and then we'll spread that out, and that will be a much nicer subfloor than what is currently there, which is very sticky sort of clay stuff. So we'll get a lot of this up there, deposit that. That's going to raise that level a little bit. So yeah, it's all helping out. Star of the show is a nice little digger here. The guy I rent it off is a really good guy, so yeah, good business, kind of guy I like to deal with. Yeah, so that's the kind of material we're getting out now, and that's sort of perfect for earth bags, because that's probably about 70% stone, about 30% clay. So yeah, everything's going to plan, everything's working out good. So we're going to carry on, and we've got to go down another, well, a lot.
I'm 180 centimetres.
Yeah, so Gaz he's 180 centimetres, and we need that wall to be at least 2.2, so we're still going down. Long way yet. Check it out, it's getting deep. That's a serious hole in the ground, and we're getting this really nice, like stony clay kind of soil that is going up here now. So we're going to use that as a nice solid subfloor. So we'll come up, I'll probably come up here and spread that out. I might even use the tractor so Gaz doesn't need to stop digging. But yeah, you can see that this is a nice stone. So we're going to use that as a subfloor up here. It's going to raise the level up here a little bit. It means we don't have to go down so far down there. Really good. Everything's working out. Really pleased, and Gaz has been a huge asset to this. And as in the previous video, there's going to be a link to his channel in the description. Please go over there, yeah, have a look at the stuff. He's got some really nice gear over there, you know, nice clothes, and really helps him out. So yeah, okay, so we're going to carry on, keep moving earth. Serious progress going on today. Last day with Gaz being here, he's off in the morning, so we're really pushing it. It's 5:30 now. We're going to carry on till, well, there's lights on the digger, so I don't think we're going to be stopping anytime soon. Taking it in turns, sort of bulking out some material, doing levels, figuring stuff out. This is my entrance way, so I've got this some stone here which will go into there, a little bit there. Some of the stone we're taking out here as well will be. So coming into my entranceway, and then the door will be across here. If you remember on the model, then we come into the workshop. There's still, the floor's not level yet. We've got a load to bulk out from here. So yeah, we're in the workshop. So yeah, we're just trying to get some of this bulk waste removed out of here. There's a lot more digger work to go yet, but we're gonna have 2 level floors by the end of today. That's the goal anyway. Late, it's about 7:30. Gaz is back in the digger again. As you can see, we're there. Like you know, it's a little bit of grading to do, a little bit of leveling out, you know, a little bit of moving piles and flattening things off, but we're there. The bulk material's moved. What a job. Like, that was 5 days, 2 of us. I mean, don't get me wrong, we weren't both, you know, I was doing a lot of measuring and figuring out, and Gaz was moving the material in the digger, and what an asset he was to the whole thing. But yeah, that is the workshop site, excavated, landscaped. So a few more jobs to do, making the entranceway, grading that out, leveling it out. Sort of almost could do with a load of rain to see where sort of the levels are and stuff, but yeah, we're really getting there. This is actually going to happen. This building has got to happen now, because there's no hill left, so it's got to happen. Alright, so I'm going to carry on tomorrow, and Gaz is leaving in the morning, so carry on in the morning, and gonna just level things out a bit, put some stone on this path that's going on here, and yeah, a few little jobs, level out. We ended up making like a patio that's going to be outside the workshop there, just because we had so much fill that we needed to get rid of, and it slopes down steep there, so we've created a patio there. So that'll be nice. That'll be a nice feature of the building, one that wasn't there before. Yeah, it's 7:30 at night. Gaz is still hard at it. Ain't gonna be long now though. We're losing the light, but yeah. All right, so carry on tomorrow. Well, check it out. Just walking into where the front entrance will be of the woodworking workshop and the man cave. Cool, eh? So Gaz has left now, and like I said a few times, he's been a real big asset to this. This was a lot of work with that little machine. We used the little machine because of access and stuff, so it was just the best option and the cheapest, but it did take a little while. So this is the woodworking workshop, and then we've got the metalworking workshop up there. So there's still work to be done. Still got to straighten this wall off because it's at an angle, and dig all the trenches for the foundations and drainage, but I'm going to leave that sloped for now just to retain it nicely. So as you can see, it's quite nice and level. That's the entranceway. It's going to have a retaining wall on it as well, probably out of stone, but that all adds to the character. There's a slight slope down to the workshop from there, so we're going to have to put drainage in. That's just was what happened because of the position of the building, which I was expecting really. Because it was buried in the hill, there's probably going to be water running down, so we've got to do clever drainage to fix that issue, but that's okay, we can do that. So let's take you up to the top and have a look at that. Okay, so up here we've got mostly leveled out. It's we put some of that stone that we dug out. I know it probably just looks like mud, but there's quite a bit of stone in it, but as we were putting it down, it was absolutely chucking it down with rain, so it's mixed in with quite a bit of water at the moment. So couple of nice days like this, look, that we got here. We'll get this dried out. Once it's dried out a little bit, I'll come in here with my little tractor, smooth it out a little bit. But as you see at the moment, it's kind of soft, kind of like almost like concrete actually, and it'll go hard like concrete too, but it's just not perfectly level yet. But like I say, not going to be an issue. We'll get this leveled out. Still got work to do with the digger, ditching and all that stuff. Yeah, that's what me and Gaz got done. Quite amazing really. As you can see, it's a big old hole. So going to be one day soon, there should be a workshop sitting in there. Well, when I say soon, next couple of years I think, probably. But I reckon we get some walls up this year, maybe start the roofs. We'll see, take our time, slow and steady. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.